Welcome to uSkinned. In this video, learn how to install uSkinned Site Builder on your local machine. First, let's head over to the uSkinned website. From the Resources drop-down in the navigation, locate Quick Install. Here you'll find command prompts to get up and running in under 2 minutes. Today, hit Copy Code on the SQLite option. Open up Visual Studio Code and create a folder for your new project. Paste the command prompt and hit return on your keyboard. You can now see both Umbraco and uSkinned being installed. Once installation is complete, follow the link provided and log in to the back office. We can see that both have been installed successfully. However, we are missing a license to self-host. If you don't have one, you will need to purchase one. Here's one I created earlier. Using the Actions menu, download the appropriate license for the version of Site Builder you have installed. Once downloaded, go to the project on your file system and add the file to the Umbraco licenses folder. Head back to Visual Studio Code and restart your project. Go to your web browser and refresh the website. We can see from the message on the uSkinned dashboard that your license is now in place. And that's it. You've successfully installed uSkinned Site Builder on your local machine. But remember, don't stop there. This is just the start of your journey. Check out the next video to learn more about uSkinned.